Astrologers believe that planets or points at the anaretic degree can be associated with karmic lessons or challenges that need to be resolved in order for the individual to move forward in their spiritual evolution. Having the sun at this degree can indicate a sense of urgency or a feeling of crisis in the area of life associated with Aries, which is often related to individuality, self-expression, and taking action. It may be a time of completion or preparation for a new beginning in these areas. A conjunction between the Sun and Moon in Aries at the anaretic degree, 29 degrees, is already significant, as it represents a sense of urgency or completion in the area of life associated with Aries. This could manifest as a need to take action, assert oneself, and make bold decisions. When this conjunction is also in close proximity to Jupiter in Aries at 23 degrees, it adds another layer of significance to this configuration. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, growth, and abundance, and in the sign of Aries, it can represent a desire to take risks and explore new opportunities. Together, this configuration suggests that there may be a strong desire to take decisive action and pursue one's goals with passion and enthusiasm. There may be a sense of restlessness or a need for adventure and exploration. However, it's important to be mindful of the potential for impulsiveness and to make sure that actions are grounded in practicality and common sense. With Jupiter's influence, there is a tendency towards excess and overindulgence, so it's important to keep that in check.